Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make sure your iPhone is using the full 120 Hz refresh rate, also known as ProMotion. Let's jump right in. First, you need to know if your iPhone actually supports 120 Hz. This feature is only available on Pro and Pro Max models, starting from iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max. If you're using a regular, non-Pro iPhone, 120 Hz isn't supported. Once you've confirmed your device is compatible, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Accessibility, then choose Motion. At the bottom, you'll see Limit Frame Rate. If this option is turned on, your iPhone will lock the refresh rate at 60 Hz. So to enable the full 120 Hz experience, just make sure this toggle is off. That's all you have to do. Your iPhone will automatically switch up to 120 Hz when needed, giving you smoother scrolling, faster animations, and an overall more fluid display. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.